All right, so you probably know what it is. Yeah, it's pretty obvious. Tripod. But what is with these names? Apeocose. Now, there are so many brands on Amazon and all over the world that spin up companies and names, and they're all constantly being made, typically from China. I mean, probably like what 70% or maybe 90% of the world's consumer goods or goods in general are made there. So, but yeah, I think we gotta just get better on the branding of these, and you'll have to forgive me if this is an established brand and I'm just a newbie in the tripod industry, but you get what I'm saying. So let's open up this guy and see how she be. Case in a case. Yeah, it's winter, so I got my compression gloves on that they market as for professional gamers or people with poor blood flow. Yeah, so I don't know if this will fit with the phone on it. Yeah, maybe. It does open up. It's like I was just a little too weak there, as my wife would say. All right, so that's fine. Yeah, you can't fit a tablet on there. There's your shutter, just in case. You have your manual, and you have your case in a case. So let's open her up. I like all these like new case technologies that like they sound more and more like diapers. I think that's really good case technology. If it's not supportive like a diaper, it's probably not a good case. Or it would be a good case to use a diaper in that case. Oh, maybe. Oh no, it's still diaper. But yeah, they have packaging in here. Nothing's worse than being in your garage with cold hands and touching metal. Give me my robot. I'm late for taking over the world. Now, this thing here might look like a screw, but it's an eye, and it will watch you when you leave the room. Okay, so the reason why this one was kind of interesting and I wanted to try it out was I have one that for each level, it will have these extensions. They're extensions at the bottom. So essentially, it gets more and more like a triangle as you raise it up. Where my other one, it basically will go straight for a long time and then kind of TP at the top. The other unique thing about this guy is it has this arm thing. So you could kind of tighten it, cart it around, point it at things. It's kind of easier to do that way, I'm assuming. If I knew what I was doing. All right, so that makes sense. Could be easier to do that, point it around. Once you get it comfortable, lined up and happy, it's kind of just worth it for this guy at the top here. And you could always put those clippies on to get more shoehorn, shoe clip stuff. So that's that, and that's for your phone. So we're gonna twist that on. We don't have any special cameras. We all phone YouTube around here. I use my phone for everything because I don't want to carry two devices. I don't want to upload my stuff and edit on a computer like a professional because I am not a professional. All right, so pretty nice. Yeah, overall good build quality on it. Articulates pretty nice. And I'm gonna basically end the video with some shots of different things mounted on it, just to give you a general idea for height and whatnot. But yeah, pretty fluid, nice, strong, like looks drop resistant. It's matte, not glossy, so scratch resistant, pretty nice and nifty. In case you guys want, I'll put a link in the description below. And for those that don't know, I do similar quick look unboxing reviews that just open up the product, take a quick look, give it overall like once over and opinions, and then move on to the next one. It's kind of like speed dating for unboxing reviews. So if you like that kind of content, or you like any action sports, extreme sports, or how-to videos in the technology space, I'm a programmer and also in IT. Feel free to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.